Yes, recording is started. Hello students, I hope all of you are very fine, and today we are going to have activity in of course in English subject. So be ready for that, and this is it. So I have shared my screen, you can see visible annotation. Okay. F5. Well, so there are three different types of activities you can say. So first activity, let us move to that without wasting a single
Sir,
moment.
do we need any pen or paper?
You may need, so sit with that. Okay. Let it be compulsory, my dear students. Sit with copy and pen because you will have to write something. Okay. Well, so now let us proceed to the first activity, and you will find few boxes. Okay, so these are the boxes, and now see what you have to do. There are prepositions and conjunctions on your screen now. Clear? Now what you have to do, either you choose the conjunctions or you choose the prepositions and put your finger on those boxes. Clear? So you can see there are how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15.
15 boxes.
There are 15 boxes
Sir,
now.
what to do? I don't understand.
In this, you have to put your finger, either you choose the conjunctions or prepositions. There are, you can see prepositions and also conjunctions. So you have to find out them and choose the boxes which which contain either conjunction or preposition. So the color of conjunctions, it will become red, and color of preposition will be converted into green. So I think this is clear. If you choose the conjunctions, suppose you want to choose the conjunctions, then don't choose the prepositions. And if you want to choose the prepositions, then only choose the preposition. Don't choose conjunction. Clear? So for conjunction, red color, and for preposition, green color. So what will happen? Suppose you have chosen conjunction and the box turns green. That means you are dead. I mean, not that type of dead. What will be happened? Your marks will be cut. Well, so I think you must have.
Sir, please tell one more time.
Okay, in simple language, again I'm saying there are 15 boxes, and you can see prepositions and conjunctions. It is not like that all are prepositions, all are conjunctions. I don't know how many conjunctions are there or how many prepositions are there. So, if you have to, what you have to do, you have to find out either conjunctions और prepositions. या तो conjunctions को choose करो या तो preposition को choose करो and choose करके उस box के ऊपर अपना finger को रख दो. ठीक है?
Sir, anyone?
हाँ हाँ एक एक बॉक्स में वन वन फिंगर. ठीक है. सो यूज ऑल द फिंगर्स ऑफ योर हैंड एंड जस्ट पुट द फिंगर्स ऑन इट.
Sir, I have mouse. What can I do?
Sir,
यू हैव मॉनिटर बेटा संस्कार.
Yes, sir.
इट इज नॉट आई थिंक टच स्क्रीन मॉनिटर, सो यू कैन जस्ट पुट योर
sir,
फिंगर.
mine is touch screen.
यस यशिता.
Sir, screen is touch screen.
But don't worry, annotation is disabled, so nothing will happen.
Okay.
Annotation is.
Sir, फोन से करे तो हो जाएगा ना?
हाँ यस, टेल मी अगेन.
सर मैं क्लिक कर रहा हूँ लेकिन वो कलर चेंज नहीं हो रहा.
नहीं नहीं यार.
Yes, sir.
भाई वो screen share है.
Sir will change.
See, my dear students, see, this is actually PowerPoint slideshow. So in the next slide, the color will definitely change, not right now. So if you all have chosen your option, then tell me. I will move.
Any one now. Sir.
Let's choose.
Sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, any one?
No, not any one. ठीक है, आपको सब प्रिपोजिशन में फिर अगर आप
I choose.
ठीक है, अगर आप प्रिपोजिशन को चूज कर रहे हो तो सब प्रिपोजिशन में आपको फिंगर रखना है, और अगर आप सिर्फ कंजंक्शन यूज कर रहे हो तो सिर्फ कंजंक्शन पे फिंगर रखो, जितने भी कंजंक्शंस हैं।
Sir,
और फॉर योर
Sir?
इंफॉर्मेशन देयर आर
which is the color of preposition
प्रिपोजिशन ग्रीन कलर,
and conjunction red, na?
कंजंक्शन रेड. सो इफ यू चूज
With the finger, we have do.
यस पीयूष,
So when we choose the word and put the finger on it, after that, what we have to do?
so after that I will move to the next slide. In that slide the color of conjunction and preposition will be changed. प्रिपोजिशन का कलर ग्रीन हो जाएगा और कंजंक्शन का कलर रेड हो जाएगा. तो अगर आपने प्रिपोजिशन चूज किया और उसका कलर रेड हो गया, मतलब आपका ऑप्शन गलत है. ठीक है, तो आपका
Sir, I am holding for so long.
yes. So my dear students, all of you have I think
Sir.
No, sir, please wait.
Yes, sir, please.
yes, who's that?
Sir, can we write that words and copy?
No problem. That's why I told you can arrange copy. That's good idea. Very good, Vinith. You can also write on your copy which options you want to choose. But do it fast because many students are waiting to see their color. Unless, behind, before, and from, or towards, since, into, until, onto, by, as, so, beside. Well, 15 words. Out of 15 words, few are conjunctions and few are prepositions. Either you choose preposition or you choose conjunctions. Well, so shall I proceed to the next slide?
Sir, wait.
Sir, proceed.
Yashita, not done till now?
Done, sir, done.
Sir, see my.
I think you have either you have written or you have put your finger.
Sir, I have written.
Okay, now, so the color is going to change. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 0. Well. So there are, you can see, 6 conjunctions are there, and all rest of the words are prepositions.
Sir, I can't even touch that. It's so hard.
Yes, Sanskar.
Sir, fingers are not going. Where are that red?
So I think you must have thought in your mind.
Right and I finger put on behind, so it will correct.
Behind is
Sir,
preposition.
mine all correct.
Okay.
Sir, I am
Sir,
doing
my all correct.
because my fingers are not going there.
I know that if the monitor, you are using monitor, so that's why it is a
Sir,
problem.
you have to
Don't
make
worry,
that.
mobile phone, for them it is easy. Well, so anyone, if you have chosen wrong one, no problem. Okay, so now next activity we will move, and what is the activity? Let me tell you. First of all, you remember all these words. जितने भी यहाँ words दिख रहे हैं, 15 words, सारे words को you याद करो.
Sir, only 5 words I will remember, and else are the green ones.
No, you have to remember all these words because next activity will be based on these words. ठीक है?
Sir, please wait.
I think. Okay, no problem. You can write. There is no problem. You can write these words because in the next activity, there will be these. So,
this.
Okay. Too much noise. Well,
Sir, from Virgin.
yes, Veer. Acha, from noise is from Veer. Okay, no problem. Well, so let me remind you, unless, and, or, until, as, so. These are conjunctions, if you can remember. Okay. और conjunctions कितने टाइप के थे, किसी को याद है क्या? I think
3 types, sir.
okay, 3 types. अच्छा.
Correlative, subordinate, coordinate.
subordinate.
Okay, okay. And किसमें आएगा? And
Conjunction.
हाँ, मतलब कौन सा conjunction?
Coordinative.
Sure.
No, sir.
अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
And we add independent clauses or independent and dependent clauses. And is used for joining. Yes, two independent clauses.
Two independent sentence.
Clause, better.
Clause, sorry.
Okay. Now it is time to move to the next activity. And what is that? This is very simple, but I want exact answer. Okay? In the next activity, if you give another option or another answer, so that will be not considered. Clear? Well, so let us move to the next slide. Yes, very simple. There are 4 fill in the blanks, and what you have to do, you have to choose options from the words, these 15 words. From these 15 words, you have to choose any 4 and choose the correct one. And let me see how many of you can choose the correct option. So the first sentence says, they have been working dash this issue since 2012. Second sentence, this work was completed dash submitted. And the third one, he has not played COD, Call of Duty dash. And the last one, don't move dash, you finish the task. So yes, you can give me the answer through chat box, and if you give number 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? In the okay, so I have got one answer for the second one. Yes, Yashita, absolutely correct. Well done. Yeah, I'm waiting for others. Fourth one is absolutely correct. Good going. Now 2 more. Okay, now there is problem now. My dear students, if you do one thing, if you send all the answers in one message with the question number, that will be nice. Because now I can see Divyansh Lumia, Jinisha, Vedant, Veer, all are sending one by one. So it is very hard to say the exact answer. So it is better to send all the answers in one go. Veer Jain again, 2, 3. 2, yes, correct. 3, no. 3 is wrong, Veer, but 2 is correct. Good. Well, I want the answers in one go, in one single message. You send all the answers. Well, so I can see for the question number 2, you are giving right answer. That's good. Very good. Well, yes, Chetna, second and fourth, correct. What about the boys? Where are you? Maulik, Adi, Chetna to ladki hai. Darshanam, then Dhairya, Divyansh, send your answers.
Sir,
I am sending, sir.
Okay.
third one is
Now Yashita, the third one which you have selected, that was not in the 15 words. So what did I say? That you have to choose the words from those 15 words. Okay. Vinit Jain, Vinit Jain, one is wrong, three are correct. Well done. Uh, okay, Vinit, 3 out of 4. Maulik, 3 out of 4. One is wrong. I think first one is creating problem. Chetna beta, if you send all the answers in one message, then it is very easy to.
Sir,
Yes, Maulik.
my which one is incorrect?
First one.
Sir, my
First,
First one.
sir, my third and first are incorrect now.
Yashita, acha, Yashita has also sent. Yashita, third one is actually.
Sir, but
First
first was also not in that 15 words which I wrote.
It was not there.
No, sir. It was on two.
Okay, okay. So okay, that will be considered, no problem. Okay,
Sir, I didn't get the third one.
जबकि third one.
my which one is wrong?
I sent
Sir,
it once
third
again,
one
sir.
is easy.
I sent once again.
Okay. So now it is time.
I actually gave hint.
Okay. So for the first one, I will definitely consider, but second, third, fourth, it is very hard to consider. Okay, so well, I can see.
Sir, I have sent.
Okay,
Sir, fourth until
uh, Veer Jain,
sir
two out.
until
Yes, Divyansh.
Sir, all four are
Sir,
correct.
Sir, I have
now.
submitted once again, please.
Sir, is my all correct?
Yashita,
Sir, yes, sir.
Is my all correct?
all correct.
Sir, is my all correct? Sir, my.
विनीत थोड़ा सा मतलब मिस्टेक हो गया, वो फर्स्ट वन में ही प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. ठीक है, नहीं
Sir,
Sir, I
please
have
check
sent. Is
mine.
my all correct?
Vineet, the first one and third one actually both are problematic. Deshna, okay, two are correct. Okay.
Sir, my.
Maulik, I
Sir,
said 3 out of 4. Sorry, 3 out of 4. Correct.
Sir, I have sent once again.
Let me see.
Sir, mine.
Yes, Yashita, the second time which you have sent, absolutely correct. 4 out of 4. Maulik,
Sir, my first time. Sir,
the second one, Parsh. Second one, second one is very easy. Well, so now it is time to see the answers and yes, Parsh.
I am asking. I have sent. Are my all correct?
The second one you have not attempted, I hope.
Sir, I have attempted.
Yes, I can see. Yes. Well, yes, 3 out of 4 because the first one actually here that can be considered now. So actually that option it was not available in the 15 words. Well, so yes, let us see the answer. 3, 2, 1, go. So they have been working on this issue since 2012. Though one was not there. So koi baat nahi, the first one will be definitely considered. Okay, they have been working on this issue since 2012. The work was completed and submitted. So for the second one, I can see maximum students have given right answer. I think this one is easy. That's why. Then he has not played COD before.
Before.
Achha, now one.
Until you finish the time.
Now tell me one thing. Here before is a preposition or adverb? Yes.
Adverb.
Maulik is
Sir,
saying,
it's adverb because it's not. Sir, ये
Any
position नहीं बता रहा है, ये adverb
ये
बता
बता
रहा है।
ये एक्शन
बता
बता
रहा
रहा है
कि
कि
इससे
उसने
पहले
पहले
नहीं
सीओडी
खेला है।
नहीं खेला है.
yes, exactly. It is adverb. Good. क्या बात है? याद है आप लोगों को? That's nice.
I first told.
Yes, Maulik, well done. I will definitely clap for.
Sir, I was saying, but my mic was mute.
Okay, okay. Next, don't move until you finish the task. Yes, so, Acha, one thing, can you tell me which sentence it is, which type of sentence?
The
The last one, don't move until you finish the task.
Sir,
Sir,
we have to tell the clause.
imperative. Sir, imperative.
Ah, exactly.
Sir,
And sir,
imperative.
it is
Sir,
which
it's giving
clause?
a command.
Ah, it is a command.
अभी का बार इसमें
Good, good, good.
Sir, which clause?
सर इसको ऐसा भी बोल
Dependent or
सकते हैं
independent?
One independent, one dependent.
Ah, yes, there is conjunction. So of course, until is a conjunction. So of course, there will be two clauses. So you finish the task, don't move.
Sir, one dependent and one independent clause.
Yes, yes. Dependent will be don't move, and independent.
Don't. No, sir.
Independent will be don't move and
yes, sir.
dependent will be
Independent
you
is
finish
don't
that.
move. Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nee.
Sir, because it makes
Yes,
sense.
sir.
Don't move.
So don't move is dependent or independent?
Independent.
Independent.
Exactly.
Independent.
And until you finish the task, that would be dependent.
Until not, sir. You finish the task is dependent.
Dependent clause.
Yes, yes. Okay. Now let us move
like this. Sir,
to the next activity, and in the next activity you will find your friend. You will find your friend in the next activity. Well, so ready, guys? I think you are ready. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what did you ask?
Are you ready for the next activity?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Acha, among,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now tell me, among these four sentences, which one is passive voice? Which
The third one.
Third one, sir.
No,
Third one.
no,
Sir, fourth.
no.
Yes, sir. Fourth is because if
Sir.
it would be active voice, the sentence would
Yes,
be
sir.
finish the task.
No.
No.
First
The
one.
first one.
Second one.
Sir, second one.
The second one.
Second one. This
Sir, three were wrong, so one is only correct now.
is
Yes, sir. This is logic.
by someone, that is not written, but was है और third form of verb है तो ये passive voice है. Well, now let us move to the next activity, and name of the activity is what comes in your mind. Yes, so you can see one picture and you have to frame a sentence. Only one sentence you have to frame, and in that sentence you have to use preposition and one conjunction. Okay, so be careful. Make
Sir,
a
we have to say or write in chat.
you can write, yes, of course. First of all, you should write in your copy, then you should send it through chat box. Okay, so make a sentence watching this picture, and in that sentence, there must be one preposition and one conjunction. Well, so yes, he is your friend, and you can see that one laptop is also there, and we can't say which company. I think it is
Sir,
there.
sent. Sir, please check my answer.
HP. Sir,
Sir,
can I
it's
say
not
please?
HP.
Yes, Yashita.
Sir.
Don't say. Come on.
Is it correct?
Yes, Yashita, absolutely correct. Nice, very good. Vedant Jain, actually in your sentence, preposition is there, correct. But no conjunction. So think again. That means you need to enlarge the sentence. Beneath, yes, your sentence is absolutely correct, no problem, but no conjunction is there. Okay.
Sir, I also sent.
Okay, Parsh. Oh my
Sir,
God.
I also sent.
Differently. Okay, Parsh sentence. Okay, he decided to wait until sunrise go to home. Until sunrise to go home. Okay, nice example from Parsh. Uh, he thinks,
Sir, is my correct?
Maulik. Yeah, correct. Absolutely correct. Very good. I can see both preposition and conjunction. Gia. Yeah, yes, Gia, correct. But before boy, you should use the article or a article. Okay. Okay, Gia, I think you have got it. Before boy, you should use either the or a. Vedant Jain, see, my dear Vedant, your sentence is not wrong. But the problem is that there is only preposition. With, you have used with, that is correct, but there is no conjunction. Sanskar,
Sir, my sentence.
Sanskar Jain, your sentence is really out of the box. Vinny Jain has sent once. Okay, Vinit, that's better than previous.
Sir, my sentence.
Chetna, I think. Chetna is asking. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chetna, the problem is same. There is preposition, but there is no conjunction. So that you have to add. Well, now let me show you what I have written. And yes, my sentence will match with many of you, but not a 100% match will be there.
My sentence.
Jinisha,
Sir, my.
Sir, my.
uh,
Divyansh.
Jinisha, you have written exactly my sentence. How it can be possible?
My Adi Jain.
Adi, where is Adi? बेटा इसमें प्रीपोजिशन कहाँ है बेटा? प्रीपोजिशन भी नहीं है, कंजंक्शन भी नहीं है.
सर, मेरा नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस कैसा है?
Chetna is asking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have used two prepositions but no conjunction. Chetna, the last sentence which I can see from you, the boy is sitting under a table नहीं होगा बेटा, under a tree with laptop. So preposition तो है, लेकिन conjunction नहीं है. संस्कार ने फिर से भेजा है, a boy is taking English online class under sitting under a tree. ये कैसा sentence हो गया बेटा?
Sir, mine one. Sir, Divyansh Shunya.
Divyansh, let me see. I have to find yours one where. So in your sentence you have used preposition but no conjunctions. Now let me show you which I have written. And yes, the boy is sitting under the tree and playing game in laptop. So Jinisha has exactly sent the same one. So here you can see in red color preposition and in green color that is conjunction.
Sir,
Conjunction.
sir,
Yes, Sanskar.
I want to ask a question.
Sure.
Sir, who sits under a tree playing games in laptop? Unless you can play cricket, football, and
Well, so
Yes, sir. This
Yes, sir,
question
this makes
comes in my
sense.
mind
and
also.
someone's football hits
Yes, sir. Me also.
laptop, he will be.
Then the game will be
yes,
deleted.
of course. Now let me tell you something. Actually, this picture is showing us that technology is important, of course, but nature is more important than technology. But we can't leave technology. We can't reject technology. So we have to take care of our nature as well as of course we have to be in touch with technology. So this is this picture shows that if you take care of tree, and if you can take I mean you can work on the technology. So that is the message of this picture.
Sir, I think tree is also watching his game by his that hole.
Ah, yes, the posture of tree, it is actually like that. Well, so now,
Paul is watching
It
game.
seems like he's peeking in his laptop.
yeah, he's taking online class. Someone has sent, I think 2 or 3 students have sent the sentence like the boy is taking online class.
Sir, I gave you online class, not game.
Okay, okay. Now let us move to the next picture, and of course, this picture is related to our parliament. And let me tell you, it is Rajya Sabha, upper house. And I think you know that in our parliament there are 2 houses, upper house and lower house. Upper house is Rajya Sabha, and lower house is known as Lok Sabha.
Lok Sabha.
So now you have to make a sentence with these 2 words, Rajya Sabha and upper house. इन दोनों वर्ड को कंबाइन करके एक सेंटेंस बनाना है. So now this time the task is bit complicated, but I think you will definitely.
Sir, by using conjunction and preposition.
Yes, of course, you have to use conjunction and preposition. Well.
Sir, what to do in this image? I can't understand.
Tell you. So you have to prepare a sentence, and in your sentence there must be these 2 words, Rajya Sabha and upper house. Both the words must be there. Okay, rather I should say both the phrases.
Sir, I have sent.
Yes, I can see every minister's and
I have also seen.
budget 2000, but in your sentence, Sanskar, you don't have used upper house.
Sir, I wrote the sentence already and then you say upper house. So I given you upper house later.
But you have to see, if you write Rajya Sabha upper house, then it doesn't make any sense. Okay. So use upper house in the sentence, meaning.
Sir, 30 seconds are only left.
Oh yeah. Now I should show you the sentence actually.